cuando hay nubes grises, pero me saludan más las olas del mar.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do double cut crease with negative space on hooded eyes. And for this, I'm going to be playing around with the Textured Neutrals Volume 1 from Tati Beauty once again. And I'm mostly going to be working with Aura with a little bit of black eyeshadow with a little bit of transition shade and some glitter. And I'm going to show you how to get this look. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you have hooded eyes like me and most of your lid is hiding under the hood, we need to make as much space as possible below the brows to do the eye makeup. And for that reason, it's best to keep the arch of your brows as high as possible. And if you want a brow routine for hooded eyes, I'm going to link that video right on top. For now, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to very lightly fill in my brows. I'm not going to drag the outer and inner corners any lower because we still want that space for the eye makeup. Now to clean up underneath the brows, I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer in 135, and the brush that I'm using is the Colourpop Concealer brush. This is the E3 brush. So I'm going to apply the concealer just below the brows to clean it up and also on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows. I'm going to very lightly set with the Airspun translucent powder above my crease to make the blending easy. I'm using sticky tape in the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line to get those dramatic straight edges. As you can see, I have a crease line passing right across my lid, and if I apply eye makeup up to my crease and open my eyes, it's going to hide under the hood so you won't be able to see a thing. So I'm going to build a new crease right above it. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to look straight in the mirror and I'm going to mark 3 points, one in the center and 2 in the corners. And these are markings that are visible when I open my eyes, and then I'm going to join the 3 points. To do the markings, I used the matte eyeshadow from Soothe and I used a tiny Colourpop brush. I'm taking a little bit more of that eyeshadow with the Colourpop E9 blending brush and I'm going to soften this line. And to soften it and blow it out even further, I'm using a larger blending brush again from Colourpop. This is the E2 blending brush. To deepen the crease, I'm going to dip into the matte eyeshadow in Ritual. I'm taking it with the Colourpop E9 blending brush, the smaller one, and I'm going to use it right at the crease and soften it up. And then with a small definer brush from Coastal Scents, I'm dipping into that matte eyeshadow from Ritual once again, just to deepen the very outer corner. And then I'm going to use the blending brush again to soften it up. And the reason I did that is to get that depth in the outer crease, almost like casting a shadow with a deeper shade, and to get a clear definition of the new crease.
más las olas del mar. Ella es muy
Next, I'm using some concealer with the Colourpop concealer brush to clean up at the crease. I don't need to paint my entire lid because there's barely any fallout.
socio nada que ver, le tiene contraseña a nivel pro al cel. Sé que algo oculta pero no sé qué es, yeah. Oiga, oiga señorita, quisiera decirle solo una cosita, que mi corazón todavía palpita, pa' que no lo dañes, que ahí es donde tú habitas, tú no estás de visita. Ella sabe que sin montar que tenga.
Next, I'm dipping into the metallic eyeshadow from Aura. I'm taking it with the Colourpop E3 flat shader brush, and I'm going to use this to saturate my lid, leaving the outer third open. Next, I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow from Memory with this angled brush from Mineral Cosmetics. I'm drawing out a line in the very outer corner, like almost I'm drawing out a wing, using the sticky tape as a stencil. And then I'm going to go parallel to my cut crease, leaving a small gap in the very outer corner. And then with the same angled brush, I'm going to start shading that black eyeshadow towards the center of the lid, but I'm going to keep it in the outer third. Next, I'm going to be using this pressed glitter in that negative space and the crease line. And the brush that I'll be using is a small eyeliner brush from Tati. This is the E21 brush. Because this is pressed glitter and not really an eyeliner, but we're using it as an eyeliner, take it slow, layer as much as possible till you're happy with the intensity, and use a small brush. In the lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out the matte eyeshadow from Soothe with a pencil brush from Colourpop to soften the lower lash line. In my waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil from Jordana. To intensify the lower lash line, I'm taking some matte black eyeshadow from Memory with this flat definer brush from Doe Color. I'm going to stamp it right under the waterline.
Oiga, oiga señorita, quisiera decirle solo una cosita, que mi corazón todavía.
For eyeliner, I'm using the super fine liquid liner from Folklore. And I'm completely avoiding the fold line that is passing right across my lid while I pull out that outer wing. If you want to know how to do winged eyeliner on hooded eyes, I'm going to link that video right on top. Let's finish up with a coat of mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using Grande Drama. First, I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply the mascara. And for lashes, I'm using something that wings out. This is Ace from Tati. They're pretty wispy in the center, so you can still see through them and you can see the eye makeup, so you can see the lid space. And in the outer corner, they wing out, so they elongate your eyes. Reds and nudes look fantastic with this kind of a crystal eye makeup. I decided to go with a nude lip today. I'm going to be using this ultra glossy lip from Colourpop in Attention Hall. And here's the completed look. My jewelry is from a local boutique here in San Francisco. It's a really small boutique. I keep going back there because they sell beautiful stuff. They don't really have a website, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you did, and comment below and let me know if you want me to do more looks with this palette. For your convenience, I'm listing everything that I used in the description box right below this video. Make sure you're following me on social media as well. Those links are also listed in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.
Me dice que me ama cuando hay nubes grises, pero me saludan más las olas del mar. Ella es muy bipolar con tantos matices. Cuando dice que está bien, piensa que está mal. Yeah. Ella dice que está